it's okay. And pageant's not just, parang that's not the
And all be all.
end all be all of life. So I feel like we should use it as a stepping stone. And whatever you learn from here, mas i-apply mo siya in the future. So marami ka talagang matutunan, whether it's relationship with people, how to handle yourself, your business. So ma-apply mo talaga lahat ng mga natutunan mo in pageant, wherever you go. So, kung gusto mo man mag-artista, kung gusto mo man mag-business, kung gusto mo man mag-relationship lang or something, it's really gonna help you, your self-esteem, your confidence, yung value mo as a person. Depends what you do with it.
Grabe. Oo. Pero grabe ka, Kylie. Never mo na nga, speaking of relationship, never mo na nilaunch yung gwapo mong boyfriend. Pero parang last opulence lang, hindi nga namin sinama sa balita namin.